So, first and foremost, I do want to take this opportunity to thank all of you. And first up on the list is really Priyanka. From a training session that she came to conduct in our office setup, she introduced me to Amrita. And Amrita, I still remember that kind call in which you spent more than 30-40 minutes with me just to talk me through what this was all about. And while you said what you did, I really didn't know what to expect in this session. But here are a few things that I take away, from all of these uh, sessions over the last 6 months that we've had. I think the first one is just sign up. Don't think too much. Whatever life throws on your path, just sign up, because if I didn't sign up for this and I was just thinking, I know what all I would have missed now. My biggest takeaways from the course has been to slow it down and let there be silence. I think those two things have been really grand takeaways, and I'll tell you why. Because I like to talk, and I don't know whether it is because I like to share what I express myself a lot, or I like to hear my voice a lot. I don't know what it is, but these days I'm liking my silence too, and I'm just holding myself. I'm the last one to speak in a room, and I think I'm just enjoying watching what happens when you just let silence grow. I think that's been my biggest takeaway. A lot of people talked about being more accepting of themselves, and I think that's what this course has done to me. It has taken me back to my childhood in many ways, my abandoned self, and which had gone through a lot of distortion, I think. And I feel very accepting of myself with my imperfections. And I feel okay to tell people to make room for me with my imperfections. And I feel I'm okay. Yeah, I feel I will be okay. Um, Amrita, to you, I have to say the way you've handled these sessions, the way you've handled all of us, and I don't think you were even handling us, the way you were there, just there, your authentic self. um, and I think somebody mentioned the way you hold your voice, the way you hold it during the session and as you converse with us, just tells us how deeply you have taken this to life. And that is something I'm definitely taking back for myself. And Leon, to you, I just have to say this, that book of yours, A Shift in Being, I don't know what it is. It is definitely not just a book. Every time I read a chapter, and when we do our weekly assignments, especially the first 17 classes that we did, and every time we had to read up a chapter and come to class, uh, I used to read the same chapter so many times that sometimes I wouldn't complete it. But every time I used to read it, the meaning would change. Every time I would listen to a coaching session, a recorded coaching session, I would go back listening to it a second time and a third time, and there was always something more to gather. So, just tells me that, you know, all the effort you have put in to consolidate, amalgamate all your learnings of life and everything that it has been a journey for you, you have put it for us in a book. So, really deeply, thank you so very much for doing this for so many people like us. I think it just puts us in a better place to understand, comprehend ourselves and the life around us. And I would just like to close by saying that this forum, with all of you there in it, has given all of us so many opportunities to be so vulnerable. Like Abhishek just said, that there are things about me and my life that I have opened up on this class that I probably never have spoken otherwise. And I don't think Now I feel that I don't think it is possible to live life without being truly vulnerable. And the more comfortable we get with being vulnerable, is how genuinely we will be able to touch the lives around us, and we will be able to touch our own selves. So thank you to all of you, who've held such a sacred space that I felt so comfortable, and for all the learnings that I carry from all of you, and the friendship and the trust. And this has been like a support group. I don't know, never been a part of one, but I think this has probably been the best support group I have had, and I will keep to go back to in my moments of doubt. Thank you so very much, everybody.